Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Get Dirty Garage. I know it's been a really hot minute since I was able to get anything out, but if you ever moved, especially 700 miles and 5 states away, you kind of understand. So anyways, 3 or 4, 5 trips, including semi, 3 round trips and a 24-foot trailer and straight truck, and we got all of our stuff in one spot. So been really busy, as you can imagine, and I do apologize so much for taking so much time in between, but today just want to kind of show you around the brand new home of Let's Get Dirty Garage. So let me get the kind of the final piece up here, and then we can kind of take a look and see what's going on in the new shop and new digs. So let's see if we can get this kind of up. Let's see here. That looks straight to you? All right. Okay. Let's go take a look around, see what we got going on. Is this thing on? Yeah. Hey guys, before we get to the new shop and kind of showing you around a little bit, just wanted to give you a couple thoughts and what we've learned as we've traversed 700 miles south. First thing, I mean, Southern hospitality, you've heard of that. It is real. I mean, people that we've met have been just wonderful, friendly and gracious and patient, and you just can't expect a lot done in a hurry. Slower pace, it's exactly what we're looking for. So excited about that, and meeting some new folks and getting to know the area a little bit more. So doing a little bit of exploring, and we'll figure it out as we go along. But anyway, second thing, or another thing, dirt is red in Alabama, and once it gets wet, it turns into the slipperiest substance on planet Earth. It is slipperier than axle grease on an ice skating rink. I'm telling you, it's just, yeah, don't go walking around in the mud. So anyways, learned that one the hard way. We'll chalk that up to life lessons. Another thing, directions are a lot different here. Used to be where we were from, it's like directions were given by landmarks like fast food joints and liquor stores. Turn left at the liquor store, go up to McDonald's, turn right, and turn left at Taco Bell. But here the landmarks are a little bit different. Is either Waffle Houses or churches. So that's how you get to where you're going. You turn at this church and you get to the old Waffle House, and then you go down to the new Waffle House. So, but we're learning that as we go. But lastly, I think what's been kind of a wake-up call is the critters. Different kind of bugs. They got some serious big beetles. Never saw those before. Got a whole bunch of interesting mosquito variations, I think. Ticks and all sorts of stuff that usually freeze off in the wintertime up north. Termites are a big thing down here. Who knew? I didn't, but yeah, I guess they are. And Some of the other things, it's like there are snakes with legs. I think they call them salamanders down here or something like that, but no, they're snakes with legs. It's not right. And lastly, I have witnessed firsthand a spider with fur. I honestly don't care where you live, spiders should not have fur. But yeah, it had fur. So getting used to that, but as we're learning new things, we'll kind of keep you informed on what's happening. But just a kind of a different location. But we're excited about the new place and the new shop, and let's show you around a little bit and see what you think. Okay, so first things first, on this side of the shop, it is like 40 by 20. Been really busy building shelves and trying to find homes and spots for everything, as you can imagine, and still got a lot of sorting and stuff to do. So, but this is a kind of a nice area just to store all the crap that you really don't know where it's supposed to go. So that's a big pile of stuff I got to get through. But anyways, did get a set of shelves in and starting to organize a little bit. And then on this side of the shop, this side is 40 by 40. It's got two like 10-foot doors, which is nice. All metal building, and it is insulated. And obviously the Elco has landed, which is good. But now we got to take it all apart and start getting stuff done. But we'll kind of run around a little bit. Got sheet metal corner here. It's got like I think 100 amp service or something like that, but enough to run welders and stuff. Got a spot for all the cold snaps and all the usual suspects, the trusty vise and both the MIGs and the TIGs, which I can't TIG weld, so I got one though. But anyways, this has got a bench in the corner installed, so looking good. Finally got a spot for my bench grinder, and actually on a bench, which is good because tired of using it on the floor. But got the thinking chair, a little bit of memorabilia and so on, but kind of like this one that Heather got for me. Can specialize in fixing anything except stupid, so that's kind of what I figured we can do. So, but it had some cabinets in it. Had to tear some of the cabinets out to have room for the toolbox and all that fun stuff. But had a bathroom framed in at one point. I don't think they ever finished it, but it's got air hoses and so on all over the place, which is good. And spent a bunch of time doing new lights and fans, because it's a little warmer than I'm used to. But what kind of really sold me on the shop was already having a lift installed. So excited about that. It's not a big one, but it'll get the Elco off the ground and anything else that I need to work on. But it's came as part of the package and kind of like the package. So kind of walked in here and asked my beautiful wife when we were moving in, so that kind of sold me on. But the shop's set up really well. Had to build some cabinets for some stuff. Obviously got a lot of stuff to get sorted through and figured out where it goes, but that kind of gives you an idea of where the new home, Let's Get Dirty Garage, is landed, and excited about getting started. I know we'll get a whole bunch of stuff up and running soon, but wanted to give you guys just a quick update on where we have landed, and let's get back to the Elco. So that's key. So anyways, appreciate it, and let me know what you think. Leave me a comment on new shop, and what you think we can accomplish in this place. So sounds good. Okay guys, well that's going to do it for this quick update. I know it's been a really hot minute since we've got anything out. My apologies again, but we will get back on the Elko here real quick. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick update, quick tour on what's new and what's happening. As you can see, we've been super busy trying to update stuff, and but yeah, we will get back on that right away. And so that's really going to do it for this edition of Let's Get Dirty Garage. As always, thanks so much for watching, the support. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you got other lessons about the South, love to hear them too. So, as I said, we're learning and trying to figure stuff out as we go. But hey, I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.